Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that overall setup of GBP USD has also not changed. We were hoping that after the NFP report market would become very volatile. We will get new support levels, new resistance levels, but things didn't change much. You can clearly see on the chart of GBP USD that yes, market has market is still remain dull and flat here. So if you have watched my previous videos on GBP USD, then you can clearly see that overall setup of the GBP USD has remained the same. Yes, if we look at the trend of the market here, then we can see market was flat. After that there was a fall in the market, and right now market is trying to go up. Yes, there was a trend reversal, but if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here, then we can see that right now in this particular portion here we do not have any trend, rather market is just flat. Apart from this trend, we have got 1.3780 as the weekly resistance from the weekly chart, and we have got support at 1.3410 because this was the level that provided support to the market when GBP USD witnessed heavy selling. So this is the weak resistance and this is the support for us. But in the middle we have got the level of 1.3600 to 1.3650. This was the level that provided resistance to the market, and you can see that still this level is not allowing the market to go up. Yes, when I was talking about this level, and many of you have commented that I'm doing a bad job. uh, you all may criticize, but really I was thinking that yes, this level is very important for the market, and still we can see that market is not allowing, this level is not allowing the market to go up. Honestly speaking, I was hoping that after hitting this level market would go down, but yes, I was also not 100% correct because I also didn't see heavy selling. Anyways, okay, so this is the resistance for the market, this is the support for the market, and this level is still acting as a resistance for the market. Clear? So you can see that I have drawn a trend line also, but honestly speaking, I do not think that this trend line will be a very strong support for the market. Okay, so this is the overall setup of GBP USD, and if we go to the chart of DXY here, US dollar, as we all know, US dollar has got huge impact on Forex market. When dollar goes up, GBP USD goes down. When dollar goes down, US dollar, GBP USD usually goes up. So you can see that US dollar is extremely strong. After the NFP report, there was some selling on the market, but surprisingly there was some immediate recovery, and market is US dollar is still respecting this trend line, and this trend line is a valid support for the market. And if we look at the chart carefully, and if we go to the weekly chart of US dollar here, then we can see that it is just now standing at the weekly resistance level, and most importantly it has formed a doji pattern on the weekly chart. And as we all know, doji signifies indecision in the market, it signifies battle between the buyers and the sellers. So therefore next week the chart of US dollar will be very important, and I think US dollar will play a very important role for the market. So the first possibility here is dollar will break the resistance and will go up, and if this happens, GBP USD will be going down. And on the other hand, there is a possibility that buyers will surrender here and US dollar will go down. Then GBP USD will be going up. So keep your eyes on the DXY US dollar. This will play a huge role in the Forex market for the next week. Clear? So what should be your trading strategy for GBP USD then? Honestly speaking, as long as market, okay, listen to me carefully before writing bad comments. Listen to me, okay. If I just ask you to observe this particular portion of the chart, do you think that this chart deserves your hard-earned money? Do you think that this chart will go up or down? No, nobody knows what will happen to the GBP USD, because there is no movement in the market right now, and whether you buy here or you sell here, your chance of winning is 50-50. And as I always say, don't be a gambler, be a trader. My dear friend, this is not the ideal position. And if you buy here also, if you buy here, then your SL will be here and this will be a take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio doesn't match. Again, if you short the market also, your risk to reward ratio does not match. So there is not a single reason to buy or sell here. There is not a single reason that justifies the decision of taking any order here. So my dear friend, don't do anything on GBP USD as long as it is trading like this. Okay, as long as it is trading like this, don't do anything, because if you love your hard-earned money, then please do not trade on GBP USD, because there is no movement in the market. If there is no movement in the market, how can you make money, isn't it? So keep your eyes on DXY. If there is a heavy buying on DXY, if you see dollar has break the resistance level, then obviously GBP USD will be going down. Then you can short the market with your stop loss above 1.3650. Then we'll get the confirmation that yes, this level has acted as the resistance and still acting as a resistance, and for that we need the confirmation from the DXY. And on the other hand, if dollar starts going down, if you see heavy selling on US dollar, then obviously US dollar will be going down and GBP USD will be going up. Then you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy above 1.3650. Yes, you can go for a buy 1.3650. Just make sure US dollar is going down. That is my request, and do not take any risk here. And this is the main reason why I have launched the Pro Trader program, because in the Pro Trader program you do not need to compromise with the trading discipline. Here I share the best trading opportunities in the market, so that you do not trade on chart that doesn't move. Okay, so if possible, if you want to check out what is the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashajaika.com. Under the Pro Trader section you will find all the information. That's it. Bye bye, take care, and please keep your eyes on DXY US dollar and don't make any mistake. Okay, bye bye.